Hello everyone, this is Lisa greeting from China Tech Stock. Nice to meet you all. The topics I will talk in the following are about textile industry trend, Tech Stock company and Tech Stock solution service. As the consumption upgrade, digital textile printing becomes more and more important. The upgrade mainly about the consumer demand, sales mode and the intelligent manufacturing. We can check the details in this slide. From the traditional concept, we care much about the functional material needs, convergence consumption and price, but now, we pay more attention to the cultural spiritual needs, diversity consumption, value dominant, experience and variety. The sales modes also enters into the new retail, online and offline sales way. The intelligent manufacturing upgrade is good for the environmental protection, flexible supply, intelligence, automation and datization, delivery time and efficiency. Let's see what digital printing can do for those upgrades. Digital printing technology meets the latest environmental protection requirements, greatly reducing environmental pollution. Digital printing technology improves the quality of printouts, making patterns and colors better presented. Digital printing realizes automatic process management and reduces labor costs greatly. Digital printing reduces printing process and improves production efficiency. Okay, after analysis some advantages of digital printing, let's move to the second part, about Tech Stock company. Tech Stock, headquartered in Shenzhen and established in 2011, we also have a branch company in Shaoxing City, focusing on textile pigment digital direct injection printing. Tech Stock provides the industrial-grade equipment, overall solution provider and service. As a national high-tech enterprise, we integrate R&D, production, sales, and service support. Based on environmental protection, digitization, intelligence, and industrialization, Tech Stock has formed systematic and leading advantages in key equipment components, software control systems, inks, and printing solutions, has domestic and even global leading positions in multiple subdivisions. This is an overview about our Shaoxing Tech Stock digital company. Tech Stock develops from these three dimensions: industrial-grade high-speed digital printing machine, inks for industrial-grade high-speed digital printing, and R&D and technical support team for industrial-grade digital printing solutions. As for the high-speed digital printing machine, with 14 invention patents and more than 100 utility patents, combined with the world's leading industrial-grade print heads, Tech Stock creates industrial-grade high-speed digital printing machines with high precision, high speed and stable operation, and is in a leading position in the application market. As for the inks research and development, after tens of thousands of test experiments, Tech Stock develops the best matching parameters of ink and machine to achieve the perfect combination of ink and machine. As for the technical support aspect, Tech Stock has mature software and hardware development, printing technology, application development and technical support teams in the industry, and meets the specific application needs of customers through the best matching of machines and systems. Based on Tech Stock's professional experiences in the textile digital printing, we have received many honors and achievements from the industry, such as National High-Tech Enterprise, National R&D Center for Digital Printing Technology, China Textile Digital Printing Equipment R&D and Production Base, Executive Director for China Screen Printing and Imaging Association, China Textile Pigment Digital Direct Injection Leader, the world's leading oval Kyocera digital machine, and etc. We can see the details from the slide. From this page, I will introduce Tech Stock products to you. Tech Stock products mainly include a direct-to-cut pieces digital printer, direct-to-fabric digital printer and white ink printer for garment. As we all know, the biggest environmental hazard inherent in textiles is water pollution. Traditional dyeing and textile printing processes use too much water, which even can fill the Mediterranean Sea every 2 years. Currently, the industry is transitioning to digital printing, which is very conducive to reducing the impact of the industry on the environment. In this aspect, Textox's technology is leading the way. The Kyocera roll-to-roll fabric belt series printers that we manufacture do not require steaming and washing, which meet the green printing and environmental friendly. Here is our Kyocera printer general information, with pigment 12 colors printing solution. The merits of this machine model are as below: high efficiency. The fastest printing speed can reach 700 square meters per hour. High precision. 24 or 36 high precision industrial grade Kyocera head. Machine features: self-developed hanging basket structure. High-speed multi-roll solution with excellent precision. Environmental protection technology. The pigment process does not need to be steamed and washed, which is environmentally friendly and sustainable. Color performance. 12-color solution. The color gamut and accuracy is greatly improved. Also, the color transition is more natural, and the design inspiration is no longer constrained. Applicable to a wide range of fabrics, the pigment solution can be applied to cotton fabrics, cotton polyester fabrics, blended fabrics, animal and plant fiber fabrics. Let's see a Textox fabric printing machine video from our customer workshop.
In recent years, with the increasing market demand for small orders and quick responses, digital direct injection of pigment textile satisfies the market demand well with its simple process, environmental protection, no need for steaming, washing, less investment, and quick return. Kyocera Pigment Belt Digital Printing Machine TK2024 and 2036 models launched by Textox. Equipped with 24 or 36 industrial-grade Kyocera printhead, high printing resolution. Printing speed can reach 700 square meter per hour h. Possesses the patented hanging carriage technology independently developed by Textox. Guarantee the stable production of industrial-grade large volume orders. Adopt 12-color printing solution. The printed graphics has better layering, more vivid colors, wider color gamut, good penetration, soft hand feel, and the printing quality can be comparable to the reactive technology. Wet rubbing fastness reaches grade 3. Dry rubbing grade is 4 to 5 level. The solution has been applied in actual production by a large number of customers. This printing solution is mature and stable, and it is widely used in the world's first-line brands.
In recent years, with the influence of online shopping and social media, young consumer groups no longer stick to traditional consumption concepts. They pay more attention to the expression of content, seeking innovation, differences, and publicizing individuality. Also paying more attention to the comfort, wearing, and breathability. Textox mass customization printing solution does not require plate making, which is more efficient and environmental friendly. The one single image printing realizes on-demand production. Create a digital and intelligent, flexible supply chain delivery system. The characteristics of this product series adopt the most advanced technology in the world, and the ready-made t-shirts can be printed directly according to the artworks provided by customers at any time, and the finished products can be obtained immediately. The feature of high efficiency and intelligence is also to realize the technological guarantee of rapid response and flexible supply for customization, entrepreneurship, and e-commerce. In order to meet the needs of flexible delivery, Textox has launched a dual digital oval white ink printing machine TFD+, which can print white ink and color ink purely digitally simultaneously, with a production capacity of 200 to 500 pieces per hour. No need to make a screen plate. One picture can be printed one by one to meet the needs of personalized customization. Let's see a Textox garment printing machine video for more details.
TexTalk TFD Plus double digital elliptical white ink printing machine is equipped with 12 Starfire 1024 nozzles, including 4 white ink and 8 color ink nozzles. The elliptical component is equipped with 36 plates, 8 flash dryers, 4 fans, 2 scraper, and 1 printing press. It can output a printout in sizes up to 63 by 70 centimeters. The overall sizes of the equipment are 12.7 by 3.1 meters. The intelligent software and control system can achieve a single printout of a pattern for one order, mass production, and seamless integration with various order platforms or production management system. Natural transition against black background, automatic shrinkage of white ink, more than 90% of images to be printed without retouching, synchronous printing in both white and color inks, at an output rate of up to 400 pieces per hour. With independent separation type units and ready for change white ink and digital glue, this equipment can be used for a wide range of purposes, minimizing investment risk. The digital printing machine is equipped with the unique, removable, and repairable Starfire 1024 industrial print nozzle, which operates reliably and has a long service life. The nozzle and ink path contain internal circulation to avoid generation of bubbles. Primary and secondary cartridges and the multi-filtration system will effectively prevent the influence of impurities and sediments in the ink on nozzle. Print nozzle collision protection system minimizes the risk of nozzle scratching cloth. The frame is in seamless welded steel structure, which is more stable and durable. Compared with the aluminum profile structure, it is more resistant to thermal expansion and cold contraction, and has smaller deformation. Low heat drying saves energy and effectively prevents cloth from yellowing. Dry printing with pigment ink developed by TexTalk with Ocotex and SGS certifications is healthy, safe, and environmentally friendly, improving color representation by 20% compared to wet printing. Additionally, the solution solves problems such as sour odor and sticky feeling with most treatment solutions on the market, and the finished products are dry, breathable, and fast, and has passed our standard tests. TexTalk TFR Plus double digital elliptical white ink printing machine is the best supply chain solution to intelligent production. One printout for one pattern and mass delivery, and integrated with excellent process solutions. It has successfully assisted customers in completing delivery under millions of orders.
The TFD Plus double digital printers and oval printer, launched by TexTalk. The machine model can automatically complete the application of treatment liquid, surface cure, and garment pressing, simultaneous printing of white ink and color ink. It's available for both white ink and scraping white paste printing solution. The productivity is 300 to 450 pieces per hour, greatly improved the production efficiency and save labor costs. This printing solution has helped customers to gain tens of millions of pieces first-line brand white ink orders. In March 2021, TexTalk White Ink solution helped online celebrities to sell 80,000 orders by live streaming. This live streaming topic is hot t-shirt, adopted a 30 days pre-sale method. Traders don't need to worry about inventory pressure. TexTalk double digital white ink printing equipment with a production capacity of 300 to 450 pieces per hour. Guaranteed the large quantities of orders production for this live streaming. We seamlessly connect machines with traditional crafts, cloud data, and cloud orders, help them to continuously adapt to changing demands in production. It's suitable for one order of one picture, one piece of one print, mass production and fast delivery. TexTalk provides the powerful supple for the platform.
The textile printing industry is entering the digital era of green and sustainable development. We have developed new technologies to effectively solve recycling, circular design, sustainable processes, manufacturing, and supply issues. Effectively save electricity and water, and build a green manufacturing ecology. Okay everyone, that's all about my today's speech. Thanks for your listening, and welcome to contact with us for any inquiries. TechStalk is looking forward to meeting you at the International Textile Machinery Association exhibition next year in Italy, Milan.
Thank you, Lisa, for joining us for this Q&A session. And we have received a couple of questions from our audience, and perhaps I can start with our own question, something that I have in my mind after looking at your presentation. You've talked about a lot of technological development that TechStalk has done in the recent years. Tell us about the business growth that has happened in last 2 years, and do you think the country's zero COVID policy has in any way impacted the business, or you're seeing more demand in domestic market? How have things been for you?
Yeah, hi. Hello, everyone. It's my great honor to be here regarding the questions. So actually, the last 2 years is really special to all of us in the world. And regarding the digital textile printing industry, of course, faced a great, we have faced a lot of challenges and a lot of changes, especially the European and the US market. Also in China, domestic market also the same. A lot of orders has been cutting down, but we do a lot of special changes as well, like our pigment printing solutions and white ink printers for more small customers. So we did a lot of changes, and in some of the special periods locked down. So we also opened a new factory in Shaoxing, nearby Shanghai, for more quick export delivery. Yeah.
Yeah. Can you describe a little bit how you deal with all the policy things? Is there any big growth of your business?
The growth. We cannot say the growth. We can only talk about the how to make the business stable.
Okay.
Yeah, we are trying hard to make the business stable. But actually, we are very glad to tell the customer. So in last 2 years, our export orders increasing, especially last year, almost doubled than the year 2020.
Sounds good.
Very interesting. What new markets have opened up for you? Is there any particular countries where you're getting more export orders from?
We get quite big orders from the Pakistan the last year, and this year Indian market and the European market.
Okay. You talked about pigment processes, Lisa. I have a question from audience around that. Does your pigment process require pre-treatment? And if so, do you expect that this is still an unsustainable process due to chemical and energy intensive machinery being used? Like, what's your view on this?
Well, if the customer do the brand orders and the high standard quality, of course we need the pre-treatment. But now we also developing the inline pre-treating system, so to save the machine. So before we need a separate padding machine. So now we are trying to develop an inline padding system. And regarding the cut piece fabric, like our T-shirt, so we have the oval machine, which we can do the automatic screen pre-treatment, and the post-treatment as well. We do by the machine. In this field, we
Okay.
can save the labor cost as well.
Mm-hmm.
But
Yeah. Okay.
the pre-treatment, we just to ensure the printing quality, the washing facility, and the color, the washing ability.
Mm-hmm. Uh, and you talked about your oval printer. So we've heard in China the DTF market is growing. So in t-shirt
Yeah.
printing, more and more businesses are adopting DTF. Are you seeing competition from that technology for your machinery?
Yeah, when we're talking about the TDF film printing, it's really very hot in recent years because the TDF, the material and the machine and the inks, it's compared with the digital pigment printing, it's lower cost, especially the machine. As I heard, a lot of machine manufacturer, they can offer the customer free machine. Yeah, it's a especially for small customers, they can get the lower cost machine and small machine size, which can realize the small batch production. So we can say a lot of customers really interested about this machine. But our tech talk, we focus on industrial printing customers, which they are high standard, high standard brandly pro- products, and they require the high speed. When we see our over the hybrid digital garment printers, we can printing around the maximum printing speed. We can match 450 pieces for 1 hour, and the production efficiency greatly and stable for the big quantity production.
So, my next question is related to in your presentation, you talked about the benefits of energy management because in Europe, there's a lot of energy crisis happening, and even US perhaps will not be far behind on these issues, but definitely in Europe. You talked about the benefit. Have you done any comparison studies, or if you can give us some examples of, what those cost benefits can be for a print house?
Yes, when we're talking about the global allergen crisis, actually this year global allergen crisis has become very serious compared with last years. Actually, it's not a short period problem. When we started the pigment project before 7 years, we realized what allergen sources and environmental pollution issue we're breaking and in our near future life. That's why we develop an energy saving pigment printing machine. It's like when we're talking about pigment printing machine with our customer, we all think it's like a weapon, helping our client to get stable orders. As for the energy saving aspect, the ink consumption of our printing is acknowledged according to the specific patterns, and there will be no waste. Moreover, the pigments process promoted by textile does not require water washing and the steaming. It is energy saving and environmental protection printing way.
Okay,
Okay.
very interesting. So there is that whole inline process, and then there's cost savings at different stages. So that's
Yes.
interesting to know. Okay. Uh, One last question, if uh, I mean, uh, you've already talked about it, so I just want to check with you on this. Is in terms of exports, you've said you're seeing new markets that are emerging in Pakistan, like last year, this year, you're seeing new market emerge in India, more demand coming from India. Is it both for machinery and ink, or
Yeah.
is it specifically like for one of these, or is it for both of your products?
Actually, we both manufacture machine and the inks. When you study our, we have our corporate ink ink manufacturer. So our ink brand is Ink Bank. So we two companies just like a joint venture.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay. All right, perfect. So it's a combined sales. So it's a closed loop. Like if you buy machinery, it's the ink as well.
Yes.
Okay. Uh, okay, Lisa. I think yeah, we've covered all the questions that I had and a couple of questions that we've received from the audience. So thank you so much for your time today. We appreciate it, and we hope that the event is successful for you. And if you are participating at ITMA next year, hopefully
Yeah.
we'll see you in Milan as well.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you, everyone, and hope
Thank
to
you.
meet all of you soon in next 8 months.
Soon, surely, next at ITMA. Definitely. Have a good day. Thank you so
Have a good
much.
day.